Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing lunch for 6 children and I'm going to be cooking corned beef sauce and some pasta. So let's get right into the video. For my ingredients, I have my corned beef. This is the corned beef I'm using. I'm going to be using some tomato paste and some already prepared tomato paste, blended tomato paste that has been fried. So I'm just going to add that, and I'm going to add some veggies, some carrots and some green pepper. Let's get right into the video. So I'll start off by adding my oil into my pan, and then I will add some garlic. I'm using garlic, some chopped garlic. I will let this saute for a bit before I add my onions, and I'm going to let that saute, and then I will add my tomato paste. So my tomato paste is already in. I'm just going to fry this until the whole sweet taste has been removed from the tomato paste. So my tomato paste is properly fried now, and the sweet sour taste is no longer there. So I'll be adding some of my fresh tomato already fried. I'll add that into the tomato paste and I will fry it properly before I season slightly with my mixed seasoning. So I'm just going to stir this for a bit, and then I'll add my vegetables. For vegetables, I'm going to be using some carrots and some green bell peppers. So this is my carrots and this is my green bell pepper. I'm just going to let it soften for a bit, not so much, and yeah, I'm just going to stir this, and then I will season with my mixed seasoning, guys. So this is my mixed seasoning. I'm going to season with it, stir it, and then I will add my corned beef. So this is the corned beef I'm using, and once I add the corned beef, in less than 2 minutes my sauce is ready. So I'm just going to mash this corned beef like what you see me doing. I'll stir it properly, then I'll add a little bit of water, allow the sauce cook for about a minute or two, and then our sauce is ready. This is one of the most easiest sauce to make, guys. One of the most easiest and actually one of the most delicious sauce. So if you don't have corned beef, you can always use your mashed meat, or the minced meat or mashed meat, one of them. So I just added some water. I'm going to stir that, let it cook for about a minute, and I'll take that down and we'll get our pasta ready because the kids are hungry. So for the children of 6, I'm actually going to be preparing 1.5 packs, and this is it. I have my water already boiled. I have my salt in the water already, so I'm just going to add the spaghetti into it and let it cook properly, and then I will serve them their lunch. This is something you can prepare in less than an hour or even 45 minutes because the sauce doesn't take so much time to cook, neither does the pasta as well take time. So I'm just going to, instead of breaking it, just let the hot water melt, or melt the spaghetti in the hot water and let it cook until it's softened to my preference. So guys, this is what our sauce is looking like. You can eat this with your rice, you can eat it with yam, you can eat it with plantain, boiled plantain, grilled plantain, whatever you want to eat it with. It's actually really nice and healthy. And this is our pasta. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you in my next one. Bye guys.